Install Windows 11. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Google Chrome, and here you have to search for the Windows 11 download. Now once you're in, you have to click on the microsoftwindow.com, and here you have to go on the Windows 11 installation assistant. Now once you're in, you have to scroll down, and here is the select download option. You have to click on it, and here you have to select the Windows 11 iOS. After that, you have to again scroll down and go on the download. Now from downloading, you have to select the language product. There are many type of languages. Here you have to choose one of them. I am choosing the English, and here after that you have to confirm this. If you seen this error that you cannot able to download this, what you have to do is go back, and here you have to go on the download the latest variant iOS, and here you have to click on its latest variant and simply download this, and here you are able to install Windows 11 on the unsupported PC.